look at this. Papaya? Are these papaya or mango, man? Papaya. Oh, sunflower. Whoa, kumquat. 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 Ginger? Oh, eggplant. Wow. I wish I had a garden like this. Especially that structure right there. Eggplant. Bell peppers. Bell peppers, eggplant. Papaya. I've always wanted to grow fruits and vegetables just like the Missouri Botanical Garden. Now I can with the Domccy Smart Plants Growth Machine. Wow, there are a lot of things jam-packed inside that box. So you have the user's manual, and I believe that this shows the item list. So make sure you have all of these parts. This must be the cover. All right, see, as you can see, you have the power button, seating, vegetables, fruits and flowers, and the pump at the touch of the button. And on the reverse side, see, you have this whole panel of LED lights, which is going to produce the germinating, growing lighting functions, okay? So it takes us to this compartment. I believe this is where the plants will, or vegetables or fruits will sprout up. And also inside this large tray, 5-liter water tank it can hold. And by the way, you can hold 14 pots right here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yep, 14 right there. And you have the rest of the parts list in here, everything. Okay. So let's get started. I'm quite excited. This is the water tank. This is called the grow deck. The light hood. This is the light post, which is extendable or expandable. We have the power adapter right here. All right. Grow basket, 15 pieces of the grow basket. And this is 15 pieces of the grow sponge. 15 of the seeding covers and 2 of the nutrients marked A and B, which is the plant food. So I have everything right here. I'm actually going to assemble it in my kitchen. And I almost forgot to mention there's even a pump along with some sponge. How else would you pump the water? My first step is to insert this light post, the bigger diameter end, to the water tank like this, and then snap on the grow deck, and then the light hood onto the post. Make sure that's snapped on. So I should suggest to lower the height before you put this on. Next step is to insert the power cord to this side. There's an opening right there, and then the pump to this side. So it looks like the instructions totally forgot on when and where to put the pump. See, and I just realized there's this notch right here opening. And don't worry, it's waterproof, so you definitely need a sponge underneath. Just going to fit this in here with the valve facing forward according to the diagram. And it just rests in there like this. It holds on by the front or the back. And I suggest running the wires through these openings right here, otherwise you're not going to be able to clamp it close with the cover. Step is to install these grow baskets into the hole of the grow deck. But of course, I want to extend this up so it doesn't get in the way. That's how you use it. Look at it. It's looking beautiful already. Let me show you the 6 type of seeds that I'm planning on growing. Cherry tomato, bell pepper, green pepper, what's this? Chinese choy sum, bok choy, spinach, and lemon. Some of these I bought, some of those I saved. Under instructions, they want you to soak the seeds in a container of warm water at about that temperature, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, for 2 hours. So I have a little bit of the cherry tomato seeds right here. I'm going to fill the water tank with tap water or distilled water, but do not use well water or softened water. Of course, right now I can pour it anyhow, but this is the official hole to pour it. So look at the indicator right here, max 5 liters. And there's a much faster way since I'm just starting out. Next step is to take out the A and B plant food, open the cap, and you want to fill it with water, tap water. See how the A and B nutrients are different? See? What you want to do is follow the directions, fill it, shake it, and then directly pour the A and B into the water tank. For better growing, follow the ratio of water and nutrient solution. Next is to put 5 of your soaked seeds into this grow sponge, into this hole right here. Gently, carefully, okay? And then I'm going to put it in each of these trays. See, I'm pretty sure it's going to expand once I put it in there. Depending on how much I want to grow, I'm going to use the remaining seeds and repeat the same process. Woo-wee, that was quite a bit of work. So all 14 pots are filled up with seeds. Basically, make sure you keep track of what you're putting. So I have 3 tomatoes, 2 lemon, 2 green pepper, 2 spinach, 2 bok choy, and 3 yu choy or choy sum. Let's go ahead and put these seeding covers on. All right, let me lower the top, and now I can finally test it out. Make sure everything is working. Power cord is in. Turn on the power. All right, seeding mode. Ah, look at that. Vegetables mode. Fruits and flowers. And a pump. It's definitely a quiet pump. Let me just confirm that it's working. Oh, I see the water moving a little bit. See? Look at that. It's definitely working. 2 valves are pushing the water, so we make sure it's circulating, not stale water. Once I confirm the hydroponics system is working properly, now I'm going to download the app. Called Smart Life. So what you want to do is sign up to add an account. So once you have your account created, I am going to add the device manually. If you get any notification, just accept it. I'm going to filter through the list, small home appliances, and I'm going to look for plant grower. Scroll down the list. It should be probably near the bottom. Others, plant grower. Make sure your router is set to 2.1 gigahertz. Now you'll choose the router and enter the password to the router. Now I'm ready to pair it with the device. Hold down the power button for 5 seconds until it blinks. And there it is. It's blinking right now, so confirmed it. It's blinking quickly. Now it's doing the pairing. It's connecting to the device. There are 3 steps to it. I'm going to select the device. It says Grow Planet. There it is. Added successfully, and I'm done. And here is how the app looks like. Wow, it looks beautiful. I love that background already. See, you can power off. I turn it on. So the first thing you're going to see is the water pump, grow light timer, you got nutrients. So now I want to make a quick explanation. The manual gets pretty detailed on each step. So depending on your needs, I suggest you highly read the manual because there are quite a few steps for the proper process to germination and have a successful plant. So I'm just going to walk you quickly through the app. So water pump, you can turn on the water pump switch. So let me confirm that it's working today. Just to show you guys that it works. All right, I have the pump connected. Okay, when I remove this, you see how it's the water is steady right now. So when I turn on the pump, check this out. See, the water's flowing. So we know that works, and you can set the timer to run and stop. Now it's the grow light timer. You can set the time in increments, the time in the day where you want the light to turn on. See, you can have it seeding if that's what you want. That's why I want germination. By the way, I ran this pretty much on the whole night because for germination, at first it requires that type of light. Or you can have it for vegetables, or for, it says fruits and flowers on here, but it says bloom right here. Okay, so it's more warm light. And then you can have, yeah. You have a nutrient countdown. So this is how you work the nutrient countdown. See, you put in a number, and then you confirm or cancel. Now I just realized you can change your background too. And lastly, here you can set the time zone, run automation, and a whole bunch of social media features, even removing the device or updating the operating system. So currently I have it on the seeding or germination cycle. Just follow the steps depending on the type of seeds. It can range from 2 to 10 days for it to successfully produce a bud. So wish me luck. Alright guys, just woke up. It's been 2 days. Let's check up on how it's doing. I don't see anything on the tomatoes. Nope, I don't see anything budding there. How about the lemon? Lemon's gonna be hard. See? None on the lemon. Green peppers. Oh, actually, these are green pepper. No. Spinach. Oh, check it out. Bok choy is sprouting. Ooh, bok choy is doing good. Look at this. And this is yu choy. Oh, I see some whiteness in there. Oh, there we go. So it looks like the Chinese vegetables are sprouting. Alright, it's the 6th day. Wow, sure has grown. Plus even pushing the dome out. So it suggests that on this, once it reaches 2 inches, which isn't exactly it, then I'm going to switch over to the vegetables lighting. Oh wow, it looks like the tomatoes have finally started to bloom. I think it actually started to bloom yesterday. So that's about the 5th day the tomatoes going. But I'm still waiting for the green peppers, lemon, and spinach. Alright guys, as you can clearly see, it has grown to amazing proportions. It's been 26 days since I first planted it. Using the app was super easy. Let's go ahead and get a close-up look at this. Let me take a quick measurement. The left is a tomato plant. Look at that, it's well over 1 feet. Like it's almost 15 inches. And I have it, the hydroponic system, at its maximum height. Pretty soon it's going to reach up there. But I notice it's starting to droop a little bit with the weight. So you might have to do some engineering, tie something to the pole or something so it doesn't droop, because that can affect the fertility. As you can see, I don't think any of the lemons is not blooming, or the spinach, but the green pepper is slowly growing out. And these are the bok choy, 2 of the bok choy. Okay, it's looking like almost ready to harvest. It seems like maybe a couple more weeks. And those 3 looks like, they say yu choy, but it looks like, right, yeah, it's yu choy right there. Yeah, it's looking beautiful, except this last one is kind of small. Wow. So as you can see, I barely did anything. All I did was set this up, put the nutrients in there, and then I used the app, which is super useful. And what's great about using the app is I can control this from anywhere within the world, as long as I have cell phone service or Wi-Fi. That way I can turn on the pump, turn on the light, and pretty soon, actually, when I see flowers, I'm going to switch it over to the fruit and flowers mode right here. And then we're going to have fruits. So this is truly an all-in-one, super easy to use hydroponic system that is great for beginners or advanced gardeners. This is the perfect way to grow fruits and vegetables indoors and not have to worry about digging up your yard. So if you're looking for a super easy to use with Wi-Fi app control hydroponic growing system, definitely give the Domccy brand a look.